Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video about Microsoft Excel Online. This is the version of Excel that can be accessed through just about any web browser on any operating system, Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and various Linux distros. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to print just a table that's in a spreadsheet worksheet. So I have this table here, Campanile Veloci 10-speed cassette. And so the first step is simply select the entire table, all the cells in the table. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then I'm already on page layout, but you need to go to the page layout ribbon. So I'll select here on home and click back on page layout. And you have this item here called print area. And if you were using the version of Excel in Windows, you would have the same item. You'd have more items in the page layout ribbon, but print area would be there. And you click it, and then you select the item in the drop down called Set Print Area. And then when you go print, you click File, and then in this left column of tabs, you have Print. I've already have it selected, but you would click on it and then click Print. And you can see in the print preview just the table I selected appears. So that's how you would select a table, and this could also be applied if you wanted to just select a group of cells to print in a worksheet. This has been a quick video from OS College about selecting a table to print in Microsoft Excel Online. These steps also can be applied to selecting any area in a worksheet in Microsoft Excel Online. Be sure to click the subscribe button and the like button on this video. And this will allow you to receive future notifications of future videos. If you want to watch more videos about Excel Online and other Microsoft Office Online, as well as other applications, you can watch them on the OS College YouTube channel. There are also more videos, articles, and other information about various applications at oscollege.com, OS College's website. Also check us out on Facebook. Quick videos are 2 to 5 minute videos that explain to a particular aspect or function in an application. Thank you for watching.